Okay, before we start talking about multiplying whole numbers and fractions, let's talk a little bit about just multiplying whole numbers. What does 4 times 3 mean? It means 4 times 3 means 4 copies of 3, right? Either 4 3 times or 3 4 times, whatever. So we've got 4 times 3, so that means I'm going to have 3 and 3 and 3 and 3. 4 copies of 3, that's what it means. So when I add those together, I get 12. 3, 6, 9, 12, which is the same as I get when I multiply 4 times 3. So multiplying by a whole number just means repeating something that number of times. So let's look at a fraction, 4 times 2/3. All that means is 4 copies of 2/3. So we can do that with a picture. So I've got 2/3 here. Let's just make 4 copies of it. Now I've got 4 copies of 2/3. That would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8/3. So if I've got 8/3, let me see if I can make some models down here. Oops, it's a little crooked, isn't it? Now I've got 1, 2, 3. Oh, I said I had 8, so I'm going to have another one. Oop, I want to stretch it. 4, 5, 6. I still don't have enough, so let's make another circle. Now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So there's 8/3. This is 8/3, or this is 8/3 kind of clumped together. So we've got 2 wholes and 2/3 left. So the answer to 4 times 2/3 is either 8/3 as an improper fraction or 2 and 2/3 as a mixed number. So notice the pattern here. What happened? The denominator still stayed the same because we were just adding 2/3 plus 2/3 plus 2/3 plus 2/3. And remember, when you add, the denominator stays the same. You just add the numerators. So we got 8/3. So the denominator stayed the same, and all we did was take the whole number times our numerator. Let's try another example. Suppose I had 5 times 1/2. I could draw 1/2 and repeat it 5 times and count them out, or I could just say that would be 1/2 plus 1/2 plus 1/2 5 times. So I know that's going to be 5 halves. I multiply the whole number times the numerator and keep my denominator the same. So 5 halves would be the same thing as 2 and 1/2 in simplest form. Some people like to write it and put it in 1 under the bottom of the 5, so it'll have a denominator, but it doesn't matter. The whole number, you're repeating it 5 times. So you're going to have 5 of those and keep your denominator.